Hey, so I'd just like to show you how you can use DeepSeek 3 inside of Make really easily. And if you haven't been living under a rock for the last few days, DeepSeek 3 has come out and it is as good as ChatGPT 4.0 or Claude Sonnet, the latest one. But it is much cheaper. So this is price and this is quality. So as you can see, it is a really good LLM to use. And how can you use DeepSeek 3 really easily inside of Make? Well, you can use this service here. It's called OpenRouter, and it lets you choose between hundreds of LLMs. And you connect your Make account to OpenRouter once, and you can then choose between all of these LLMs. They even have a little slider over here to show you only the free LLMs. So all you need to do is sign up for OpenRouter, jump over here, create an API key. So OpenRouter is built into Make, so all you have to do is just add an OpenRouter module, and then to create a connection between Make and your OpenRouter account by adding the API key and saving it inside of Make. And once you've done that, you can do things like this. So I'm setting my prompt here in a variable, and then I'm running that through DeepSeek 3, through ChatGPT, and through Llama. And all I have to do for this is just open up the OpenRouter module. And here under models, I can select all of the hundreds of LLMs that OpenRouter offers. You can also search for just the free ones. So it's really cool. So this is the haiku about the new year that DeepSeek 3 has written. This is the one that came from ChatGPT. And this one was generated by Llama 3.2. And that was free because Llama is one of the free LLMs that you can use with OpenRouter. All right, that was my very short video on how you can use DeepSeek 3 today inside of Make. And if you need help connecting OpenRouter to Make.com, I've made a special video just about that. You can check that out next if you like. See you next one.